On Brassie Lane in Sunriver Resort, you'll find your resort dream come true. The wildflower condos are at the heart of the resort, just, virtually across the street, or only a few minutes from everything you want to do here. Soaring wood ceilings and banks of windows, let the common living spaces feel expansive and open. Sliding door leads to the balcony, where you can enjoy great views of the golf course. A floor-to-ceiling lava rock hearth surround and wood-burning fireplace give the entire space that Sunriver vibe we all love. Hang out together on the balcony for a leisurely afternoon barbecue, and enjoy the view. From the deck at your Sunriver condo, you can enjoy watching the wildlife and the golfers who frequent Woodlands Golf Course. Classic vintage elements of the condo, grounded in Sunriver, and tasteful updates bring it current. Banks of windows let in tons of natural light, and the open layout lets the entire space shine.